Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version for your earbuds. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now we need to make sure that this headphones is connected, and I recommend it, if you have the same problem, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Sometimes it happens that these earbuds don't want to connect. Here we go. Now you click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Tap on it. It checked for updates and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, right here at the bottom you will see a button download. You just tap on it and it will install update for you. Now if it didn't help you, or you haven't the last or you have the last software version, the second one is to place your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, so then you just open it and check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!